Hello everybody, welcome back to Have Lesson with me. For today's lesson, you will be studying about the kinds of sentence. So there are four kinds of sentence in English. They are declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Each kind of this sentence does different job. All four kinds begin with capital letter. However, the end mark varies. Now let's see how they are defined. The first one is a declarative sentence. A declarative sentence is the sentence that tells something and ends with a period or a full stop. Here is the example. The colors change as the sun sets. You may notice here this sentence starts with capital letter and ends with a full stop. Deserts are dry. Again, this starts with capital letter and ends with a full stop. So what does this sentence tells us? The colors change as the sun sets. So this sentence tells us what happened to the colors as the sun set. So the colors change. Alright? Now, most of declarative sentences are commonly used in reading and writing. Okay? The second one is interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks something and ends with question mark. Here is the example. Do you like swimming in the ocean? What do you do on weekend? Again, you may notice here this interrogative sentence starts with capital letter and ends with question mark. When I say this interrogative sentence, I'm asking the question of whomever is listening to me. I am asking them whether they like swimming in the ocean or what do they do on the weekend. Right? So this is what we call interrogative sentence. The third one is imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? An imperative sentence gives an order or request and may end with a period or exclamation point. So here is the example. Look at this photograph of the ocean. You may notice here it starts with capital letter and end with a period or full stop. Always carry a dictionary. It starts with a capital letter and ends with full stop. Open the door. So here it starts with capital letter, but it ends with exclamation points. Right? Now, so here in the sentence, for the sentence open the door, it all depends on how forceful the request or the command or order is intended to be. Right? So a command or order which is given with the great deal of emotion or feeling or forcefulness, it may end with exclamation point like you see here on this sentence. Right? The fourth one is exclamatory sentence. What is an exclamatory sentence? An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling or emotion and ends with an exclamation point. Here is the example. What a lovely day. Or how hot it was. So it tells here the strong feeling or emotion that someone is experiencing on that day. So how lovely is the day? It is really lovely day, right? So this is what we call exclamatory sentence. Now let's look different among four kinds of the sentences. What an amazing sight that is. here is declarative sentence, or imperative sentence, or interrogative sentence, or exclamatory sentence. Of course, this one is an exclamatory sentence. It starts with a capital letter and ends with exclamation point. Did you watch a movie about adventure? Is this a declarative sentence, or interrogative sentence, or imperative sentence, or exclamatory sentence? And of course, this is an interrogative sentence. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. So anybody who is listening to this interrogative sentence, it means asking them a question, and whether they watch a movie about adventure or not, right? This country has a lot of mountains. So if you see here in this sentence, it starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. So is this a declarative sentence, or interrogative sentence, or imperative sentence, or exclamatory sentence? Now this sentence tells about something. So, and it starts with capital letter and ends with full stop or period. And of course, this is a declarative sentence. Send this package to the post office, right? Now, again, you may notice this starts with capital letter and ends with a full stop. But this sentence tells us or request someone to send the package to the post office. So is this a declarative sentence, or interrogative sentence, or exclamatory sentence, or imperative sentence? And of course, this is an imperative sentence because it requests or it gives order to someone to send the package to the post office. So here are the difference among 4 kinds of sentences in English. Now let's review 4 kinds of sentences. A declarative sentence, most commonly used when you are reading or writing on your work or on your school project. And the second common use is interrogative sentence. But for the imperative and exclamatory sentence are very, very rare, used in reading and writing, but most used in speaking and conversations, right? So that is all for the lesson today. And if you think this is really useful for you, and you may subscribe for the next episodes of the videos. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye for now.